This video is only for those who have been defaulter of any kind of loan by themselves or a defaulter of a proprietorship company. And please do not skip this video because you may miss some important inputs that I will be giving you during the course of this video. In this video, I will show you very specifically how to get registered on Nesl portal in order to authenticate the debt that has been sent to you by Nesl. For better viewing experience, you should watch this on PC or a laptop. Nesl, that is National E-Governance Services Limited, is India's first information utility and is registered with the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India (IBBI) under the support of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016. This company has been set up by leading banks and public institutions like SBI, LIC, ICICI, HDFC Bank, etc. Now, everyone have a common question: what is the role of Nesl? Why is it so important for every loan defaulter to answer the mail sent by Nesl, that is, to authenticate the debt? The primary role of Nesl is to issue a certificate to any bank or financial institution bearing the information of any debt or claim against a loan defaulter as submitted by them. This certificate carrying the information of debt is accepted as evidence in any court of India, and the court, upon receiving the certificate, may order a recovery process against the defaulter or may call the defaulter for further proceedings. In one word, once the bank or the financial institution get the certificate of default, it cannot be argued or disputed in the court of law any further by the defaulter. So the question arises, why it cannot be argued or disputed in the court of law by the defaulter? This is because Nesl gives the certificate to the bank or the financial institution only when, number one, a defaulter accepts the debt and they have no complaint against the bank or financial institution for the creation of the debt, neither they have any other reason for which the debt is created. Number two, if they fail to answer the mail sent by Nesl, which is called authentication of debt, within a stipulated time frame, then by default it is taken that a loan defaulter has accepted the debt or claim submitted to them by the bank or financial institution. Now, if a defaulter has any complaint or reason, they can deny the claim, which is called disputed in banking parlance. Then Nesl will not issue the certificate. On an important note, Nesl did not possess the authority to ask the defaulter of the loan to prove the reason they have given for their complaint or dispute. The bank or the financial institution can approach Nesl for infinite number of times with their claim if the defaulter dispute or deny. And every time the defaulter has to authenticate the mail sent by Nesl. The registration with Nesl by the defaulter is done for the first time only. Once the defaulter registers its credential on Nesl portal, then they can directly answer to the mail, no matter how many times they have to authenticate the mail in future. To register and to authenticate the mail from Nesl, your phone number should be linked to your Aadhaar and PAN card. When you receive a mail from Nesl, first study the exact loan information that has been submitted against you, whether the account number, the outstanding loan amount is correct or not. After studying the information carefully, you should scroll down a bit. Then you will find two URLs of Nesl. You can click on any of the two and it will bring you to this page. On the bottom of the page, you will see a question asked, "Are you registered?" And on the right side, there are two options written in capital red, entity/IP registration and individual/proprietor registration. You should click on the second option, that is individual/proprietor registration. An account registration window will open. On the top of it, you will find user identity check option. You have to select digital signature Aadhaar option, if not pre-selected. After that, you have to fill in your name and date of birth as registered on your Aadhaar and PAN card. Then you have to check this box marked in red. The moment you check this box, a window will open asking your permission to use your Aadhaar for digital signature. Click on the accept button. Before proceeding further, if you want to know how to authenticate the debt, that is to dispute the mail sent by Nesl, you should like and subscribe for part 2 of this video. Now, after clicking the accept button, the previous window will appear again. Now click on the validate button. A new window will appear. On the top of it, you will see a notification asking your permission to be redirected to Aadhaar-based KYC site. Click on the OK option. A new window will open. Put in your Aadhaar number, then check the box below. After that, click on Send OTP. A new window will open asking you to put in the OTP received on your phone number linked with Aadhaar. Then click on the Perform e-sign given on the bottom right hand side. After the validation, you will again be redirected to the previous page. Put in your PAN number and click on Validate PAN button. An OTP will be sent to your linked phone number, and once you put in the OTP and click on the submit button, your registration with Nesl will be complete. Now you are ready to authenticate the debt. If you want any help for registration, please feel free to contact at the given mail ID.